Here's some court packing plan trivia. Subscribe. Who proposed the court packing plan in 1937? Is it A. Warren G. Harding, B. Calvin Coolidge, C. John F. Kennedy, or D. Franklin D. Roosevelt? The correct answer is D. Franklin D. Roosevelt. What year was the court packing plan introduced? Is it A. 1952, B. 1945, C. 1937, or D. 1929? The correct answer is C. 1937. How many justices did Roosevelt aim to add? Is it A. 8, B. 5, C. 7, or D. 6? The correct answer is D6. What term describes adding justices to the Supreme Court? Is it A. court packing, B. justice reform, C. legal restructuring, or D. judicial expansion? The correct answer is A. court packing. Which landmark case was criticized leading to the plan? Is it A. Roe v. Wade, B. Marbury v. Madison, C. Brown v. Board, or D. ALA Schechter Poultry Corp v. U.S.? The correct answer is D. ALA Schechter Poultry Corp v. U.S. Who publicly supported Roosevelt's plan? Is it A. scientists, B. teachers, C. environmentalists, or D. some New Dealers? The correct answer is D. some New Dealers. What happened to the court packing plan after public backlash? Is it A. it passed, B. it was delayed, C. it failed, or D. it was revised? The correct answer is C. it failed. Which constitutional provision was debated during the plan? Is it A. voting eligibility, B. separation of powers, C. judicial independence, or D. Bill of Rights? The correct answer is C. judicial independence. In what context did the court packing plan arise? Is it A. civil rights movement, B. New Deal policies, C. Watergate scandal, or D. Great Society program? The correct answer is B. New Deal policies. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.